This video shows some of the Google tricks that you can use from anywhere. Google inbuilt calculator. Here we can add, multiply or divide any figures without the use of any calculator. For that, we need to enter the figures in the search bar like this. Using Google Chrome, we can convert the numbers into words. For that, type the numbers with equal sign and English at the end. Now you will get the numbers in Word. We can copy and paste the same to any other place. Timer and stopwatch. In the Google search bar, type the word timer. Now the timer and stopwatch will appear. We can click on the start button to start and to stop button to stop the timer. If you need to make a decision by tossing a coin, you can do it in the Google by typing flip a coin in the Google search bar. The search engine will choose a site for you.